Hello dear students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video, we are going to find the solutions of integration chapter, that is 2b. In the 2b 6th chapter integration, in this we are going to find the solutions of 6c exercise. Okay, so now in this section 1, first we discuss, after that we go for the section 2. Okay, now start with the first section here. So before going to start 6e, so we'll do some important basic points here. So we'll discuss some important in the page number 233. So in the page number 233, you go there once. So there you will find 6.3. 6.3 you will find that integration. So integration with the partial fraction method. Partial fractions method. Okay. So this will you will find there. So this partial fraction method we saw somewhere. Okay. Like where in the 2a. So 2a chapter 2a book 7th chapter we'll find that one. Okay, I already did these videos about partial fractions. Please go through there first, and after come to this exercise, then only you will understand the how to do this exercise. Okay, in this page only, in the bottom down, there is given one point wise given 1 point, and the next page 234 page second point, and in that only third point and fourth point, 4 points are given. We have to do like that only. This exercise problems, say please go through there and watch, see that those important example points there. And after that 6.3.1 is there. The 6.3.1, these are the solved problems, very very important solved problems here we have to find. Now this will come in your like board exam for 2 marks questions like that. Okay, where which one, this solved problems, 2 marks questions maximum will come, this type of solved problems only. After that 6.2.3 3.2 only also is there here. There are also solved problem there. And after that 3.3 also there. And 3.4 also there solved problems. And here 3.5 also there, yes, solved problems. These all solved problems are very very important. Please practice those solved problems, and then practice exercise problems also. Okay, so practice will makes perfect. That's the only thing in the maths. Okay, practice practice practice. So here in this 6.3 this 6.3.5 is a very very important. Please practice that one, because it is given in the denominator like x into x square plus 4 into whole square, this given. So while taking this one, we have to take dx plus e, something like this will come here. So that's you have to you have to practice here. So then only you will understand. Example, if you practice these solved problems, you will maximum understand the how we are going to find the solutions of exercise 6e. And you will also get easily this exercise 6 solutions also for your board exams. In your board exams, if you see the question, you will do directly using this, like if you practice solve problems. So if you practice solve problems, so okay. Now start with the first question here. Okay, section 1 first question. Now section 1 first, what is given, evaluate the following integral he asking us to find. Now first one is here given solution we have to find here. So given that x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is given, is it into dx is equal to. So first I will take this one. Okay, so x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 I will do first, and after that I will add the integration to the both here this side. So first we have to do using the factorization, like partial fraction method only, like here. Okay, so I will take a by x minus 2 I will take, minus b by x minus 3 I will take here, x minus 3. So after that, what we have to do here? So anyone have idea? So you saw that 78th chapter, no? So solutions, you will understand this easily. So please go through there, watch that one first. Okay. So multiplication. So multiplication, a x minus 2 into x minus 3 will come here. So cross multiplication, a into x minus 3 minus b into x minus 2 will come here. So where? So x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 will get this one. So in this denominator will get cancelled. Here what will remain? X minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 3 remain, and minus b into x minus 2 will remain here. So first we put x is equal to 3 in this one. Okay, 3 in this equation, it will become, if I submit this one, to 3 minus 1 is equal to, this is a into 3 minus 3 will come, minus b into 3 minus 2 will come here. So if I submit those, why I am submitting 3 only? Because so first x minus 3 is a factor, no? So x minus 3 is equal to 0. I will take x is equal to 3. I will submit. After that, x minus 2 I will submit. X minus 2 is equal to x is equal to will come. This I will submit. This 2 I will submit in this equation. Will get the answer of A and B. So first I submitted in this one x is equal to 3, no? So this is equal to 2 is equal to, this will become 0, and this will become minus B. So B is equal to, from this what we get, minus 2 here. Okay, now this B we got here. Now we have to find A value. So x minus 2 is equal to, we'll submit in this one. X is equal to 2, I will submit in this one. So if we submit x is equal to in this one, so it will become 2 minus 1 is equal to in this one here, in this one. Okay, submit this one, so A into here 2 minus 3 will come, and B will get 0 here. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is equal to, this is minus A will come here, and this is 1 will come. So A is equal to minus 1 will come here. A is equal to minus 1. So A value we got and B value we got. Two values we got. We have to submit in this one. Okay, in this one. So here I am doing here. So please don't mind. So x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3, no, into dx, no, integral. So integral. So this is integral. So is equal to. So what we have got here, A value minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by x minus 2, minus what there, minus 2 is enough, minus into minus plus 2 by x minus 3 will get here. So integral, if we submit the both sides, so it will become integral 2 by x minus 3 into dx minus integral 1 by x minus 2 will come here, dx will come here. So what is the answer here? It will become integral 2 by x minus 3 into dx is equal to, we can write it as 2 into log of x minus 3, we can write it as, okay, and minus 1 by, sorry, 1 by x minus 2 is enough, so log of x minus 2 we can write, and plus c. This is the answer of given question here. Okay, now moving to the next question, second one. Now second question here, students, this is solution here. So what is given question here? X square by x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square is given dx. So in this we'll find like x square divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square is given here. So this is, I will do one thing here. I will write a by x plus 1 into plus, sorry, plus here I will take b by x plus 2, and plus c divided by x plus 2 whole square will take here. So this will come here, x plus 2 whole square. Now in this, if we do cross multiplication, so a into x minus x plus 2 whole square will come. So plus LCM what will come here? X plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square will come here. So it will become a b into x plus 1 into x plus 2 will come, plus c into x plus 1 will come here. So where x square is equal to, where x square is equal to divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 2. So this 2 will cancel denominator here, and here what will remain, x square is equal to a into x plus 2 whole square plus b into x plus 1 into x plus 2, and plus c into x plus 1 will remain here. So in this we have to take the values of x values, then we'll get the answer of this question here. Okay. Now first we put in this one, x is equal to 1 here, x is equal to minus 1 we'll put, because the denominator value is 1 there, na? X plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1 will come. So this we will submit in this one. Okay. So here it will become minus 1 whole square will come, and it will become a into, so if I minus 1 submit, so it will become 1 whole square plus if I submit in this one minus 1, so it will become 0, total will become 0, and here minus 1 I will submit, to this is also will become 0 plus 0. So a is equal to what we'll get here, 1 we will get, and other thing we have, if x is equal to, I will take minus 2 to, okay, minus 2, that will become 4, minus 2 whole square is equal to, in this one it will become 0. So a into minus 2 will submit to minus 2 plus 2 equals 0 here. So this is also will become 0, plus c is equal to minus 2, I will submit the it in this one, x is equal to, so it will become minus 2 plus 1, so minus 1 here, minus c will come here, minus C will be there. So here minus C is equal to how much will come here? C is equal to 4, minus C is equal to how much come? 4. So C is equal to minus 4 will come here. So this we got. So A value and C value we got here. B value we have to find. So how we will find a B value here? So that's here. Here if you multiply, so this x plus 1 into this x plus 1 into x plus 2, so in this x square term you will find here, okay, x square terms. Here in this also x square term we will find x plus 2 whole square na, so in this one. So in this from this x square term we will find as a b, okay, so b. Before that in this also x square term we will find this is x plus 2 whole square na in this one. So it will become a will come here plus 1. So is equal to in this x square term. So means I'm doing x square terms uh, making equal both sides. Okay, making equal both sides. So here 1 will come. Here 1 only there na x square term like multiple. So that's it. So here a value I know. I will submit a value is equal to how much here 1. I will submit in this one. So a plus b is equal to 1 there na. In this I will submit the a value as a 0 plus sorry not 0 1. Okay. So here I will submit what I will submit here I will submit 1 only. So 1 plus b is equal to 1. So b is equal to this will goes here na. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 will come, you know already. So b is equal to how much will get 0. So what the value we have got here, a value will got 1 and b value we got 0 and c value we got has a minus 4. So we have to take in these areas. So we have to do integral here. Now we'll do okay. Okay na? Now these are the values we got here. We'll submit in this one. It will become a is equal to 1 by what will come x plus 1. Okay. Now plus b by 0 will 0 by sorry b is equal to 0 now. So here it will become x plus 2 denominator plus c is equal to minus 4 now. So minus 4 divided by x plus 2 whole square will come here. So this we got here up to. Now we'll submit integral to the both sides of the equations. Like first integral x square divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. Okay, so it will become integral 1 by x plus 1 into dx and plus, so this will become 0 no, so we will not take that one. So it will become minus integral 4 divided by x plus 2 whole square, this will come here. Okay, so into dx. So what is the value of this one? Log of x plus 1 will come and minus integral this 4 into no, so 4 into x plus log of x plus 2 will come, x plus 2 will come. So this is the value here and mm, so whole square is there na. Sorry dear students, this will not come like this. This is not come like this. It will come in a different way. So I will explain that one. So uh, so integral if we do this one though it c once. So x plus 1 d by dx of x plus 1 is equal to we'll do to d by dx of x plus 1 though. So here x plus 1 whole square if we do this one though. So we'll take this not this one. So I will take d by dx of some x I will take though it will become x to the power of minus I will take though. So this formula is d by dx of n into x to the power of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x to the power of minus 1 minus 1 here this will come. So it will become minus into, so x to the power of minus 2 will come. So it will become minus 1 divided by x square will come here. So this is if we do derivation of this one though. Okay, same like only, so x to the power of minus 1 though. So same like if we do x plus 2 whole power of minus 1 though d by dx of, so what we will get here minus 1 divided by x minus x plus 2 whole square will get x plus 2 whole square will get here if we like if we this is integration, so like this is derivative reverse integration only no. So this part we already have. Okay, what we'll get here, so if we do integration this one though we'll get the value of minus 1 divided by x plus 2 will get here. Okay, so x plus 2 will get. So this is in the derivation form. If we derivation integral though it will become like this. So x square like if we do integration though it will become x plus 2 whole square will come after that doing this one integration though. So this is answer here log of x plus 1. So this minus into minus here plus will come 4 divided by x plus 2 plus c is the answer here. This is the answer of given question. Now moving to the third question here. Now third question here, solution. So given question what? X plus 3 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 into dx is given here. So now we'll take x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 1 I will take here. So is equal to a divided by x minus 1 I will take, and plus here bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. So where x square plus 1 will come to, so we have to take like this one, okay, bx plus c like this. And again x plus 2 x square plus 1 whole square will come to, we have to take again, we have to take here here b c now dx plus e divided by x square plus 1 whole square, like this we have to take. So but question is given up to this one only now, so we erase this one, so we'll not take this one, this step. So just I told you because, so we have, if we any in case if come it will in the squares form, though you have to do that one. Okay, so now here this is like cross multiplication here, a into x square plus 1, okay, plus bx plus c into, okay, x minus 1 will come here. This is x minus 1 here, cross multiplication. And you know already denominators will get cancelled, so will remain x plus 3 will remain here. Now first I will take x is equal to, I will put x is equal to, okay, 1 in this equation. So it will become 1 plus 3 will come is equal to, so it will become 1 square means 1 only, so 2a will come here. So if I submit in this one a 1, though it will become 0, 0 into something 0. So plus 0 will come here. So a is equal to what will come here? This is 4 na. So 4 divided by 2 will come. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So is equal to 2 will come. A is equal to how much we got? 2. So we'll keep aside this one. Now here what we have to find again? Bx plus c, no. So in this I will submit x is equal to 0 value. So why I'm taking x is equal to 0 value, will you will know now after doing this one. So I will submit in this one na, it will become 0 plus 3 is equal to a into, so in this what will come here, x is equal to 0, so 0 plus this one will come 1, so 0 plus 1 1, a will come here. After that in this if we submit 0 to, so bx plus like b in this place 0 submit, to it will become 0, no, so 0, so 0 plus c into minus 1 will come here in this area. So if we submit 0 to, it will become minus 1. 3 is equal to a, so minus c will come here after doing this one. Now a minus c we got, so a is equal to already we know 2, so I will submit in this one, 3 minus 3 is equal to 2 minus c, and c is equal to, so this will goes here and it will become 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, so minus c, so minus 1 will come. So c is equal to how much we got? Minus 1. And after that part we have to find b value also na. So b value how will get? Like equating the squares, like equating the squares means here ax square will come here, bx into x x square gonna, so x square and a plus b will come, so a plus b, so x square terms is there any? No, so that's why it will we have to take 0. Okay, so a is equal to how much here? 2, 2 plus b is equal to 0, and b is equal to will get as minus 2. So b value we got. Now what values have we have got? A is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to how much we got? Minus 1. So we have to take this in this equation, so that will get the answer here, x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to what we have got, a is equal to how much? 2 by x minus 1 we got, and plus bx, b is equal to minus 2, no, so minus 2x plus minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 we got here. So this is the equation where we have got the answer. So now we have to apply the integration to the both sides of the equation, then we'll get the answers. So what we have to do, integration only now, so this integration we have to do, so we apply. Now this is a question, we apply integration here, so dx will come here, integral dx will come here. So it will become integral 2 by x minus 1 into dx, here minus 2x divided by x square plus 1, integral dx will come here minus 1. So this minus 1 by means integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx will come here. So see this one, integral 1 by x square plus a square is equal dx is equal to, we can write it as tan inverse of x. tan inverse of x. So this is will come here one thing. Okay. Now it will become how much will come here this one. This one here 2 into integral will do to log of x minus 1 will come, and minus this is right will come 2x will only come if we do the integration to this one is equal to 2 is equal to x is equal to no. So it will become log of x square plus 1 will come here, and this minus tan inverse of x no. So tan inverse of x will come here this one. So plus c the constant value. So this is the end of this question. Now moving to the next question. Now here seventh question is given that solution here. Seventh question what is given? 1 by e power of x minus 1 dx is given in this one. Okay. Now what I will do here, so integral I will one is na, so e power of x minus e power of x plus 1 I will take here. So 1 only then plus 1. So here I will take plus 1. This will get cancelled now. Will remain 1 only. E power of x minus 1 dx will remain same. After that I will do minus common from these two terms. It will become so we'll do like that only. So here integral e power of x minus e power of x minus 1 will come here. This will come divided by e power of minus x minus 1. Sorry, e power of x minus 1 will come here. We separate these things. Okay, integral e power of x divided by e power of x minus 1 will come into dx, and minus this integral e power of x minus 1 divided by e power of x minus 1 dx will come here. These two will get cancelled. Okay, so what will remain here? 1 will remain, and here integral e power of x divided by e power of x minus 1 dx will come, minus integral 1 dx will be there. Okay, so this is integral will do so it will become what will come here, it will become log of e power of x minus 1 will come here this one, and after that this one x will come here, plus c is the answer here. So plus c is the answer here, and Uh, my dear students, you will ask this question minus x is the answer. In the textbook answer, there is another thing, another answer is there, no? So you didn't tell that one. People ask me like that. So we'll take that only, that also. So e power of x minus 1. So minus log x, sorry, x is equal to, we can write it as log of what we can write e power of x. Huh? So e power of x, right, we write here. This is plus c, not 1. So we can write it as in the x place, we can write this one. So it will become log of e power of x minus divided by x will come, e power of x will come. So log m minus m is equal log m minus log n is equal to log m by n will come. So this is logarithms in the test 10th class, we'll know already this one. So formula, so this is the answer here. So if you have any doubt, please keep in mind only, don't ask again. So this is answer here. Okay, practice, that's practice. If you practice more na, so we'll get the answer compulsory. Okay, now seventh question over here. Now moving to the next question. Now sixth question here, friends. This is like easy question. Now solution here, integral dx divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is given. So very easy. So I will take this left side. Okay. So 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 I will take is equal to a divided by x plus 1 and plus b divided by x plus 2 will come here. Okay. Will uh, come here. Mm, okay, right. So we'll do cross multiplication a into x plus 2, and we'll take minus here. Okay, minus b into x plus 1 divided by, so here x plus 1 into x plus 2 will come. So denominators here 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So both denominator will get cancelled. Here will remain that only. So 1 is equal to a x plus 2 into minus b x plus 1 will come here. So we have to take put x is equal to first in this one minus 2. So it will become 1 is equal to, this will become 0. Okay, na? If we minus 2 will do it will become minus 2 will plus 2 is equal to 0 here. This is minus 2 will take the minus 1, minus into minus plus b. B is equal to how much we got? B is equal to 1 we got. B is equal to 1. See here, friends, if you take plus also, the minus 1 only come, b is equal to plus 1 only will come here. Okay, plus will take the, it will become b is equal to 1 will come here. Okay, so now uh, here what we have to find again a na. So x is equal to we have to take here. We put x is equal to already took minus 1 no? So here minus 2 no? So minus 1 will take here. 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 will come here minus b into, so this minus 1 will submit, so it will become 0, 0 will come here. So a is equal to 1 will come here. A is equal to 1 will come here. So what is the values? A is equal to b is equal to what we have got 1 and 1 we got. So we submit in this one equation. So integral 1 by x minus x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to dx is equal to integral. So a plus 1 I will replace a divided by x plus 1 into dx and minus integral, here b is equal to also 1 we got now, so b divided by x plus 2 integral dx. So this will got. So this integral will become log of x plus 1, okay, minus log of x plus 2 will come, okay, plus c is the answer of this given question here. Now moving to the next question. So fifth question, my dear friends, here solution will come like this. Integral dx divided by e power of x plus e power of 2x is given na. So from this integral dx divided by, so e power of x I will come from these two terms. Okay, so it will become 1 plus e power of x will come. So e power of x into e power of x is equal to e power of 2x will come here. Base are equal, power should be added, means e power of 2x will come. So from this, what we can do here, e power of x is there, na? So I will separate this one. Okay, one thing I will do, I will separate this e power of mm, I will write integral 1 by e power of x minus 1 by 1 plus e power of x. Okay, so into dx. This I will do. So if we do LCM cross multiplication, though it will become. So see here, I'm doing rough work here. So e power of x minus cross multiplication, no, e power of 1 plus e power of x minus e power of x will come divided by e power of x into 1 plus e power of x will come. So this e power of x will get cancelled here. 1 by e power of x will remain same. So that's why this I'm dividing in this way. Okay. So after that, this will got we got no this one. So I will separate integration here. Integral 1 by e power of x into dx minus integral 1 by 1 plus e power of x dx will come here. Okay. Now what will come here? 1 by e power of x integral e power of minus x dx will write here minus this one. I am writing this one in the form of this like this. So here integral 1 by 1 plus e power of x dx is there, na? So if we do derivative of this one, though we need here e power of x in the numerator, then only this will get the answer here. So for that one, I will multiply with this e power of x into divided by e power of x. I will do in this one. So it will become integral e power of minus x dx is equal minus this one integral e power of x divided by e power of x into 1 plus e power of x. I will write here into dx. So in this I submitted in this place. Okay. So e power of x, I multiply with the numerator e power of x and denominator the e power of x. So after that, here what will come? E power of x derivative, e power of minus x only will come here. This will over here minus this e power of x divided by e power. So first e power of x constant I will write outside the e power of x integral 1 by e power of x into 1 plus e power of x is there na dx there. So this I will expand to will like come this one. Okay, like this one will come. So it will become e power of minus x minus e power of x into this is 1 by e power of x, okay, and minus 1 by 1 plus e power of x will come dx. So I will multiply with this e power of minus x into e power of minus x, sorry, e power of x integral e power of x divided by e power of x will come. I'm multiplying this with the these ones, okay. Here e power of x divided by integral 1 plus e power of x dx will come. This is dx will be there. So answer I'm writing here e power of minus x will come. So this will become get cancel and it will become 1. Integral 1 means x will come, and here minus there minus will come here log of what will come here log of 1 plus e power of x will come here dx. So not dx plus c. Okay, this is answer here. If you have to take, this is x is equal to log e power of x, we can take log e power of x will we can take here, and we can do this one here. So this is minus into minus plus here, sorry, here minus only, here plus, this is plus will come here. So if we take to e power of minus x plus, if I take this one as like a log e power of x, so it will become um, log of 1 plus e power of x divided by e power of x will come here plus c. So this is answer if you want to take textbook answer, if you want need to. So otherwise this is answer here, you can take this as answer. Now moving to the next question. Now here fourth question here, solutions. So sir, student said is like some important question, because some trick is there, 2 marks question, very very important. Please practice here more here. So like taking values is very very important while doing the question. So how you taking the question is very important here. Okay na? Solution here, integral dx divided by x square plus a square is given na. So into x square plus b square only is given here. So I will do one thing here, a square b square is there. So I will multiply by b square divided by a square minus sorry, b square minus a square divided by b square minus a square I will do here. So into 1 by x square plus a square minus 1 by x square plus b square will be there here. Okay. So no students here. Sorry, here one thing I did mistake here. So given question only like I will multiply to the given question, 1 by x square plus a square into x square plus b square. So if we do like this, so it will become okay now. Now here see students, here 1 by like so what will become x square plus a square into x square plus b square is there na? So if we divide this one, though it will become 1 by x square plus a square will come, and minus 1 by x square plus b square will come here. I did in my rough notes this one. So see here, if we like if we do multiplication, though what will come here? So cross multiplication will come na. So x square plus b square will come. After that minus here x square plus a square will come. Cross multiplication if we do, though x square plus a square. Okay, so here x square plus b square will do. So here x square, here minus x square will get cancelled, b square minus a square will remain. Okay na? So b square minus a square divided by x square plus a square into x square plus b square will remain. So but question is what our question is 1 by a square plus 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by x square plus b square na. So but this is extra is there. So that's why I'm dividing with this b square minus x a square. So that the will answer, then question will be remain like this only. So that's why I took here like 1 by x square plus a square, so this one. So I'm removing this one, and I will write 1 by b square minus a square into 1 by x square plus a square minus 1 by x square plus b square. So this b square minus a square will come to this side like here. So this one, please concentration on this one. This is the like this one come. So if I division though, if I divide this one though, so with the minus, so like separating the this numerator though. So here if we multiply with these two cross multiplication, all this will do, I will do though. So the will get the answer of b square minus a square divided by x square plus a square into x square plus b square will come. So this is only I am writing here. Okay na? So please concentration on this one. So listen once again. So if we multiply with these two terms, so we'll get the answer of this one, this total here. Okay. So that's why I'm multiplying and dividing with this one. So here 1 by b square a square will be got here. So integral there na. So integral dx divided by x square plus a square into x square plus b square will be there. Okay. So here integral 1 by x square plus a square will come here, minus integral dx will be there, minus 1 by x square plus b square will be there, integral will come. So integral dx. So here 1 by b square plus a square into, so this is 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by divided by a into tan inverse of x by a will come. See this one. So in the x place, in the a place, if we 1 by x square plus 1 square, so it will become tan inverse of x will come. So this is a formula. Okay. So in this one x square a square is there, that's why 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a will come here. Plus, sorry, here minus is there, so minus. This is over here integral. And again what will come here? 1 by 1 by b into tan inverse of x by b will come here. So into plus c visa. This is the answer of this fourth question. Nothing guys, so please do concentration. This is a very important, like taking how we taking means this is that only important. So I did in my rough notes, so uh, please you do in your rough notes while checking this solution, you will get easily. Okay now, my humble request, practice in the your rough note, then only you will understand this how I'm taking the value of this one. Now moving to the next question. Now, dear students, eighth question solution here. So very important question. This is maximum 4 marks question. You think that this is a 4 marks? While solving the solved problems, you solve also this one. Solve problems are very important. Okay, this type of question. Okay. Now solution here, integral like 1 by 1 minus x is given into 4 plus x square is given into dx. This is given here. Okay. So from this, I'm taking this only like 1 by 1 minus x into 4 plus x square I'm taking here. So this, okay, I'm doing like a partial fraction, same like that only. So means a by 1 minus x will come plus b divided by 4 plus x square will come here. Okay, now this I'm doing here. So it will become cross multiplication again. So a into 4 plus x square will come plus b into 1 minus x will come. We know already numerator denominators will get cancelled here. So is equal to 1 will be there here. 1 will be there. Now here this will think that here x square no, so bx plus c will come. So friends, bx plus c will come. Bx plus c. I'm writing. I will write neatly here. So this is uh, bx plus c into 1 minus x will come here. Here na. So please sorry, I did mistake. Now here I will put x is equal to the here minus 1. So x is equal to I will take here plus 1 only. So 1 I will take here. So it will become 1 is equal to this will become 1 plus 5a and plus this will become 0. So this total part will become 0. So a is equal to 1 by 5 will be the one answer here. So a is equal to we got here. We have to find b and c no. So we'll find first what we'll find here. Mm, Coefficients of x first. So we'll do one thing. So we'll put x is equal to 0. Okay, put x is equal to 0 in given question like what we have got now that one. So 1 is equal to this is 4a plus here this is 0, so it will become 4a and it will become 0 plus c. C means here 0, c only come. This is a bx plus c, 0 0 only, no, 0 plus c. C will come plus c, 4a plus c. 4a plus c will come. After that what we can do here, a is equal to 1 by 5 now. C is equal to c is equal to 1 minus 4a will come. A is equal to c is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5 will come. 4 by 5. This a will submit to s will come. 5 1 ja 5. C is equal to 5 1 ja 5. No, so 5 minus 4 1 1 by 5. C is equal to also 1 by 5 will get. A is equal to 1 by 5 and C is equal to also we are getting 1 by 5. But we have to find the B value also. So here x square values, coefficient of x square. So x square is equal to a here come and here b will come plus minus b will come na. So because here minus is there, so minus b coefficient of x square here in this right side of the equation and the left side of the equation is 0 here. So after that a is equal to how much we got 1 by 5 no, so 1 by 5 will take here and here b is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1 by 5 will come here. So b is equal to 1 by 5. So all are 1 by 5s only. All are 1 by 5s only. So here I will submit in this equation though. In this one though it will become a is equal to how much we got 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 1 minus x will come plus b is equal to 1 by 5 x plus c is equal to 1 by 5 divided by, so what we have there, 4 plus x square there na? So this will come here, 4 plus x square will be come here, and after that 1 by 5 into 1 plus x, 1 minus x, and plus this is LCM will come 5 means x plus 1 divided by how much will come here, 5 into 4x plus 4 so here uh, 5 into 4 plus x square only will come here. So here, as per the question, we have to take the integration to the both sides of the equation. It will become 1 by 5. 1 by 5 will come outside into 1 minus x will come here into dx, and plus integral 1 by 5. This 1 by 5 come outside and it will become x plus 1 divided by 4 plus x square will come here. Okay, na, into dx. So here 1 by a 5 into integral of this 1 by 1 minus x will be there dx here, and plus 1 by 5 into, so I will separating this one x divided by so integral x divided by 4 plus x square, and plus integral, no, so dx here, and integral uh, so integral this one 1 by 5, so this 1 by 5 for both sides, both one, so it will become integral 1 by 4 plus x square dx will come. So now here this 1 by 5 into 1 minus x is there na, so 1 minus x the derivative is 1 by 5 into log of 1 minus x will come na, this will come here, plus this is there, we need here 2x because derivation is 2x will come, so that's why we'll multiply with the 2 and divide by 2 means 10 will come here. So integral log of 4 plus x square will come, and here this will come 1 by, so 1 by 4 plus x square is there na? So it will become 1 by a square plus x square, or x square plus a square will become tan inverse of, like I told you that what was what that 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So that's answer will come 1 by 5 into 1 by a is equal to how much? 2 there. 2 into tan inverse of x by 2. X by 2 will come. So this is also 10 will come. So this is the end of the question here on solution here. So solution what? 1 by 5 log of 1 minus x and plus 1 by 10 log of 4 plus x square here, plus 1 by 10 tan inverse of x by 2 will come. So this is a 1 by x tan inverse of x by 2. So this is the answer here. Okay, now moving to the next question, ninth one. Now ninth question here, solution. So given question is this one. So I will write this question into the 2x plus 3 divided by, I will common from this x term from this one, x into x square plus x minus 2 will get here, x square minus plus x minus 2 dx will get here. Okay, so from this also we'll do one thing, 2x plus 3 divided by what will get, x square means x into x square minus 2, like what will get here, 2 1 ja 2, no, so factorization will do, so it will be, we'll do factorization, so it will become um, x plus 2 we'll do to here, we'll do in the rough note rough work like this side work. So x square plus x minus 2, no, so x square plus 2x minus x plus minus 2 will do. This will one x is common to x plus 2 will come, minus 1 common to x plus 2 will come, so x minus 1 into x plus 2 will come here, so x plus 2 into x minus 1 will come here, x minus 2 into x minus 1. So if we do like we'll take 2x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 2 into x minus 1 take the is equal to a divided by x and plus b divided by x plus 2 and plus c divided by x minus 1 will come here. Okay, so if we cross multiply this, so a into uh, x plus 2 into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 1 into x plus c into x into x plus 2 will come here, where 2x plus 3 is equal to this will come, denominators will get cancelled. Okay, cross multiplication I'm doing here like this, like okay na. Here we put x is equal to 1, to x is equal to 1 in this one equation, so it will become 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to a into, in this place if I put 1, to it will become 1 minus 1 0, so a into 0 will come, plus b into also 0 will come here, in this place x is equal to 1, to b into 0 will come, plus c into 1, to c 1 ja c plus 3 3c will come here, 3c, where 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 is equal to 3c, and c is equal to 5 by 3 will come, c is equal to 5 by 3. Now again we will put x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 0 to. So in this one it will become 2 into 0 plus 3 is equal to here what will come here 0 to it will become 2 will come a into 2 and minus 1, this is minus 1, and plus in this 0 here plus 0 to it will become 0 b into 0 plus here also 0 submit to it will become c into 0 will come. So this one 2 into 0 0 3 is equal to 2a minus 2a na? So minus 2a. Okay, a is equal to minus 3 by 2 will come here. Now we have to find a value we got and c value we got. We have to find b value. So b is equal to how much? So we'll do coefficients of x square equal here. Coefficients of x squares equal. We making equal. Okay, we're doing equal. So it will become x into x square. So a will come and x into x square plus b will come here and what will come again here plus c also will come here putting x square like so doing equating like x square coefficients of x square we'll do like we'll not do this one, so we'll do other thing like which one means here we'll find b value using this here x is equal to minus 2 submit to it will become 0 come na, so this is also 0 come na, so here will b value will get here from this one. So where x is equal to what will take to x is equal to minus 2 will take to is equal to put x is equal to minus 2 in the equation, so it will become so so here 2 into minus 2 plus 3, so in this one I am doing okay, plus 3 is equal to, so this place a into 0 will come here and plus b into minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 and plus c in this place it will become also 0, c into 0 will come. So 2 2 ja 4 minus 4 plus 3 is equal to here this one 0 and this will become minus 3 minus 3 to just 6, okay na 6 will come minus minus plus plus 6 6b and this is also 0, so here how much will come minus 1 will come here b 6b b is equal to minus 1 by 6 will come here, so three values we got here. Okay, a is equal to and b is equal to where the c value c is equal to this one. So what we have to do, we have to submit the equation in the this equation and we'll get the answers here. Now what the values we got, a is equal to minus 3 by 2 and b is equal to minus 1 by 6 and c is equal to 5 by 3 no. So I will submit in this equation, it will become a is equal to now minus 3 by 2x will come plus no minus only minus 1 by 6 into x plus 2 will come here. In the b plus we'll submit to 1 by 6, so this 6 comes to the denominator, that's it, and plus 5 by 3 into x minus 1 will come here. So where 2x plus 3 divided by x into x plus 2 into x minus 1 to this one. So integral. So question is actually integral to x plus 3 divided by what is the question here, x cube plus x square minus 2x no. So this is a question no, in this integral for both sides integral minus 3 by 2 1 by x into dx minus 1 by 6 into integral 1 by x plus 2 and plus 5 by 3 integral, so here dx what will be there 1 by x minus 1 dx will come here, 1 by dx will come here. So what is the answer here, minus 3 by 2 into what will come the answer here, this one 1 by x is a log x will come, log x, and here 1 by 6 into this is what will come here, log of x plus 2 will come here, log of x plus 2 will come and plus 5 by 3 into log of x minus 1 plus dx will sorry plus c will come. So this is the end of this ninth question. So we'll completed almost all questions here. So first I give an introduction for this one, so please do solve problems compulsory. Okay, now first question completed here and the second question second question in the ending. Now third question completed. Okay, third question up to this one. Now fourth question completed. Okay, fifth question completed and the sixth question there completed and the seventh question there completed and eighth questions completed, ninth question also completed here. So this is the end of this ninth question. So please do guys share and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more and more videos with this one. Okay. compulsory I will do many videos for you where up to you get 75 marks in these chapters. I will give up to board exam, like I will guide you. Okay, please concentration. I will try to make you more productive in the maths. Okay, maths scoring. Come easy, 75 marks getting easy in this one. I will also get got my 74 marks when like my intermediate completed. Okay, na? In this 2A and 2B. Like at 1A, 1B also I got 72 and 74. So this is my marks like I'm revealing now. So please guys do share and subscribe to my channel. So I got maximum these marks using these examples and solved problems as much as I did. And after that exercise also I practices more here. So that's why I got these things also. Now please guys do practice more and I'm signing off here. Thank you. Thank you guys.